Good morning to everyone. Student, today we will study chapter number 10, Human Settlements. Our topic is functions of urban center. You know, different kind of urban areas or urban centers. It means cities. They are functioning in different ways. Different ways of functions like administration, trade, industry, defense, religious importance. Such type of functions could be seen in the urban areas in the centers. And also some of the cities of the world they have developed for a particular function and multiple function. So administration it means some of the cities those are the headquarters of the state or capital. Trade it means most of the people they are doing the activities in trading. Industry it means manufacturing industries. Defense it means if the place is famous for any cantonment it means chabni. Religious importance, so many urban areas in the world they popular for their religious importance like famous temple, mosque, church, any other religious place. Okay, so functions of the urban center in which we will study first kind of towns, first kind of centers that are administration town, administration towns. It means these are the towns, capital city of state, capital city of country like Beijing, Washington DC, Addis Ababa, New Delhi, Canberra, capital of Australia. So such type of administration towns are famous for their administration and also they are the capital city of the country, capital city of the states. So these towns developed in the form of administration the colonies and institutions of the government, right? Second, we will study trading and commercial towns. So second type of towns, trading towns. Trading towns, it means, as you know, what is the meaning of trade? Trading towns, most of the people they are doing export and imports, and also if they are selling the product and buying the product, and a market is famous for any particular product, such type of trading centers developed in the world. Like Winnipeg, Kansas City, banking and commercial centers or financial centers, the Frankfurt in German, Amsterdam, large inland center like Manchester in England, St. Louis, and transport nodes such as the Lahore city, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Baghdad, Agra have been important for the trading center in our country. So these are the trading towns. Third kind of trading, center, urban center, we will study that is the cultural towns. Cultural towns also developed in the form of culture, art, craft, architecture, and painting styles. So many states, so many regions of the world, and so many centers, it developed only for its architecture, its painting, its design. For example, a center that is the Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh. So such type of centers they are known for cultural development. Some of the religious centers also they are famous for their culture, like Varanasi in our country, India, Mathura, Vrindavan in our country, and some of the holy place like Jerusalem, Makkah, Medina, Jagannath Puri in India. These are the centers for कल्चरल टाउन. कल्चरल टाउन्स के लिए बहुत फेमस सेंटर्स हो जाते हैं. Likewise, additional functions can be seen in those towns. Either they have earlier developed in the form of culture, but later on they converted into multi-function. और बाद में ये बहुत multi-function में convert हो गए. Thereafter, we will study classification of towns on the basis of form. Classification of towns, it means on the basis of forms. Classification of towns in the basis on the forms. It means different kind of form can be seen in the world. Some of the towns have been developed like Addis Ababa. Towns basis on the forms. A basis on the forms. So first city, that is Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa, a city of country Ethiopia.